Hey guys, now in today's video, we're taking a look at cases for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6. Now, many of you are going to be getting your Fold 6 by this Wednesday. This is the retail version. I just got mine early. I paid for it. And I have cases that I want to share with you that if you haven't gotten one yet, that you should consider. These are protective cases. This one, for example, has a MagSafe connector in the back, which is going to allow you to, again, connect it and charge at the same time. And all of them have protective glass screen protectors. And you heard that right, protective glass screen protectors. So let's go ahead and check them out. Now, the cases that we're taking a look at right here are from the Unicorn Beetle line and Supcase. And you can see that I have a variety of colors here. I want to call out that probably the red is my favorite right now, but I could go with any of these, including the clear. And what sets these apart, in addition to having that great drop protection, is the fact that they also have, notice this, 9H tempered glass. So most cases that we've seen in the past have that plastic film on that cover sheet. These have real glass, which changes things completely. Now, where you're not going to write on the outside screen, having a tempered glass in the front screen, it really gives you that really nice feel when it comes to moving your things around and navigating. And let's face it, the Samsung Galaxy, again, Fold 6 front screen is more usable than ever. It's more usable than ever, and I see people using the front-facing screen more than they did in the previous versions. So let's take a look at some of these cases that you can see right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this plastic here so you can see. So very durable polycarbonate material. You can see how nice this looks right here. It does also, check this out, in the inside, it has a S Pen holder, so you can put your S Pen here and hide it really nicely. Has great protective shock absorption around the sides. It also has this kickstand, right? So this kickstand is going to allow you to have your phone either in this mode or in this mode, and the screen on the Fold 6 is absolutely gorgeous. So this gives you, again, almost like a mini tablet view for viewing content, streaming videos, and things of that nature. Now, this is where things have changed quite a bit. So the front of this, and as you can see right here, this is a tempered glass. Now, in order to use this, what they're suggesting is that you go in and that in the settings, you enable that, again, that touch sensitivity. This is touch sensitivity that you turn on typically when you're going to use, let's say, gloves and you want to touch your screen. But they're doing that because since this isn't going to be stuck against your screen, there's an air gap, a really small air gap on it. They're highlighting that it'd be great for you to do that. We're going to see how it works. I'm going to remove this cardboard, and then we'll see how everything works here. So again, really nice protective case, and you can see how durable these guys look. So this is the blue, which is probably going to be my son's favorite. Here's another one that is kind of, I don't know if this is a gold or gunmetal, but you can notice that the back is a little bit different here. So you don't have the same type of ring function that you had over there. It's a different type. And what I like about this one is that this is the kind that you can put your finger in through here and hold it, but at the same time, this is going to give you the ability to have it like this as well, right? So if you're going to prop it up, you can prop it up to watch some content. Now, one of the things that we're going to check and see is if the actual wireless charging will still work. I don't know if something like this or some of these cases wireless charging will work, so we'll test that. And then here you have, again, that kickstand that we just saw a couple seconds ago, but this one's red, my favorite right now. And then you have this clear one right here. And this clear case, really, really nice. I love the way this looks. And, you know, what this is going to do is also, if you can see that right there, it does have, it looks like a kickstand as well. So to get the kickstand to work, all you do is you pull back like this, and now all of a sudden you have something that allows you to hold, right? So it's a holding thing, so you can hold your phone. But then you also have this kickstand feature, which you can have, and we'll move these to the side, you can have your phone like this, or you can have your phone like this. I'd say that, you know, I wish some of these other ones right here, I guess this one's probably does that, but this, let me see, is it magnetic? No, that's not a magnetic adapter. No, that looks like it's plastic. And one of the ways that we're going to check that really quick is that I have this little MagSafe. It's magnetic. Oh my God, I take it back. Check that out, guys. It's magnetic. Oh my God, I love it now. All right, so now this is my new favorite. Sorry, I switched really quick. I like the red color, but I like the fact that this is a magnet. Oh my God, this is really cool. All right, so let's go ahead and put in our phone in one of these cases. I think I'm going to put it in the magnetic one, and then we'll see how it works. All right, so we're going to take our Fold and remove this little sticker on the back, this QR, to the side. And we're going to basically just snap it into place. We'll see the kind of protection that you're going to get. We'll go ahead and do this right there. So you can see how that works right there. All right, so, and you can see immediately that it has great protection. This does it have the little stickers? It looks like it doesn't. Most of these type of cases would have like a little sticker that you'd remove that would allow it to stick to your phone. And it doesn't have any adhesive. I find that also interesting. All right, we're going to put this on. Keep in mind that the new Fold is really, really slim. So you are going to add some heft to it. Not a lot, but there's going to be some there, right? So let's move this stuff aside so you can take a look at this. So now, nice protected screen, right? Glass, tempered glass, 9H. You notice how over here you have your buttons are easy to access, right? So you have your fingerprint sensor, your volume rocker, really nice. Here, notice how nicely protected you have your, again, camera. There's some good depth there, so you're not going to have issues with camera flash or anything like that. You can see the hinge mechanism. It makes it look really industrial, robust. I like that right there. You have, again, pinhole mic as well as your charging port. Over here you have speaker opening and pinhole mic. And then obviously you have the S Pen in here. Let's see if this opens. Yeah, this opens. So you'd be able to take your S Pen out and then close it back if you'd like to get access to it. Now, if we open this up, all right, nice hinge mechanism. That felt really satisfying. And then what we have here also, as we talked, is a dual function. Let's see how this guy's going to open. A dual function hinge. I'll move this over here to the side. So I'm going to be able to have it like this. Love it. I'm going to be able to have it like this. Let's see, will it do it? Will it work? It does not work that way. So it's only going to work this way. So that's one thing. So if you're going to want to use this for kind of the portrait versus landscape chatting, not going to work with that front-facing camera on the outside, right? So it's more designed for something like this. Really satisfying, I'm telling you, the actual clickiness of this. And then this is going to lock in. Nice, really nice. All right, let's check and see if this is going to charge. So we're going to get our little charging brick here. And then we're going to put it right here, see what happens. I heard it. And it wirelessly charges. That is fantastic that it's able to do that as well. And the cool thing about, MagSafe charging is that if you have a car that has a MagSafe holder, and let's face it, you open this up, this is a great display for your car, especially if you're doing Google Maps and things like this, or, just playing music. This is going to make it very secure, and then also really, really, it's going to give you that wireless charging feature. So, kind of love this. Like the color. Wish it was red. Maybe you can get a red one. And then you're looking at that really protective case. Now, let's see how the front screen works with the glass. All right, from the front-facing screen perspective, let's see how things work here. I can tell that I need to turn on that feature. Let's turn it on. All right, so I'm going to turn on touch sensitivity. And you can see it right here. I just typed in touch so that I can find it. I'm going to turn it on. Now I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on this screen. Let me authenticate. All right. Much better. So, see the difference? Yeah, touch sensitivity is going to be a must, guys, in order for this to work. And super responsive, no issues with the screen protector. So guys, that wraps up our review of these cases, again, from Supcase. Super durable cases. We have a great family. Favorite color? Red. Favorite features? The ones that have these MagSafe solutions on there. And I am right now stuck between two. I'm between this one and this one because I love the transparent and I love the silver look of this guy. But then I also like the fact that they have MagSafe charging. And this one, I don't know, it's growing on me. See you in the next video.